Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Maths Class, a channel so dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, what do we have today? We have balancing, okay, solution of an equation. But when we are looking for the solution of an equation, the first thing, we can use different methods. But today we'll be learning the balancing method. Just consider like something of a scale. When you have a scale, when you are balancing the scale, you have the left hand side and the right hand side being equal. So whatever, if I place 5 kg here, to balance it to be equal, I must place 5 kg on my right hand. That's balancing method. So in an equation has two sides. The left hand side, which is this, and the right hand side, which is this. So when we are using balancing method, what it simply means is whatever I do to the left hand side, I must do it to the right hand side. So let's look at this first question. The first one says that this is the 18 minus x. This is the equation. We are finding the solution. That means we are finding the value of x. So the first thing, look at 18 here. This is positive 18. For me to remove it, I introduce negative 18. So to the left hand side, I introduce negative 18 so that this 18 will go off. So this becomes 18 minus x minus 18 equals, to balance out this equation, what did I introduce? Negative 18. I do it to the right hand side. So it becomes 7 minus 18. That's the first method. Now, this and this will go off. 18 and negative 18 will go off. Now, this becomes negative x is equals to 7 minus 18. That will give us negative 11. But there's still one problem. We are not looking for negative x. We are looking for x. So this negative x is the same thing as saying negative 1 times x. So 1, negative 1 is the coefficient of this x. So to remove it, we divide both sides by negative 1. So we divide both sides. So I introduce negative 1 so that it will cancel out the negative 1 here. And I have negative 1 here. So this and this will go off. Negative will cancel this. So our x equals to 11. Now when you have finished solving, put in the value of x into this and see whether you get the right hand side. 18 minus 11, of course, to give us 7. So let's look at the second one. The second one, we have x plus 3 equals negative 5. Now what do we do? The first thing, this is positive 3. To balance it out, we introduce negative 3 to cancel out. So this becomes x plus 3 minus 3 equals, now we have done that to the left hand side. We introduce negative 3. We also introduce negative 3 to the right hand side. So this and this will go off. So our x will be equals to negative 5 minus 3. That will give us negative 8. And the last one, number 3, not the least, x over 6 equals to 5. Now, if this is x over 6 equals to 5, now this x over 6 is the same thing as saying 1 over 6 times x equals to 5. Because x times 1 is x, so x over 6. This over 6 is, the actual thing there is 1 over 6. That's the fraction that is there. Because when you multiply anything by 1, it is that number. That's why it is written x over 6. Now to remove 1 over 6, which is the coefficient of x here, I multiply both sides by 6. So this becomes 1 over 6 times 1 over 6x times 6. Now I've introduced multiplied by 6 to the left hand side. I must do the same thing to the right hand side, equals 5 times 6. So 6 here 1, 6 here 1. So x will be equals to 5 times 6. That will give us 30. So that means 30 divided by 6 is 5. That's how to confirm. When you are finished solving it, put the value of the unknown into the equation and see whether the left hand side will equals the right hand side. If it does, that means your answer is correct. All right, let's take this further examples. Solve the following equations. The first one says 2x. The first one says 2x plus 3 equals 11. Of course, we are using the balancing method. We are looking for x, the value of x. So the first thing, we remove the positive 3 here by introducing negative 3 to both sides. So this becomes 2x plus 3 minus 3 equals 11 minus 3. We are introducing negative 3. Now, positive 3 and negative 3 we cancel out. So we are left with 2x equals to 11 minus 3. That will give us 8. Now, we are a step closer to finding the solution to the answer. Now, this is 2x. That means 2 times x. To remove multiplication, we introduce division. So for me to remove this 2 here, I'll divide both sides by 2. So dividing both sides by 2, we have 2x over 2 equals to 8 over 2. So 2 here 1, 2 here 1. That means our x is equals to 2 here 1, 2 here 4. Our x equals to 4. So the value of x here is 4. You can confirm that by putting it into the left hand side to see whether you will get what is at the right hand side, which is 11. Let's try it out. Our x is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3, of course, is 11. Let's look at the second one. The second one says that 4x plus 5 equals 17. Same thing. This is positive 5. Let's take it away. So this becomes 4x plus 5 minus 5 equals 17 minus 5. We introduce negative 5 to the left hand side. We must do that to the right hand side of the equation. So positive 5 minus 5 becomes 0. It goes off. So this is 4x equals to 17 minus 5. That will give us 12. Now, same thing we did here. This is 4x. This is 4 times x. What do? We divide both sides by 4. So this becomes 4x over 4. What we do on the left hand side, division by 4, we must do it on the right hand side. 4 here 1, 4 here 1. So our x is equals to 4 here 1, 4 here 3. Our x is equals to 3. And the last one, 5x minus 6 equals to 29. So this is 5x minus 6 equals 29. Now this is negative 6. For us to remove it, we introduce positive. So this becomes 5x minus 6 plus 6. To balance this left hand side, because we introduce positive 6, to make this also balance, we introduce positive 6. So this and this will go off. So this is 5x equals to, this is 35. 29 minus 6 is 35. Now to finish up, we divide both sides by 5. So this is over 5 over 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 1. So our x is equals to 5 here 1, 5 here 7. Our x equals to 7. You can always check out the answers by inputting the value of what you solved into the left hand side of the equation. And when you solve it and you get what is at the right hand side, that means you are correct. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. We looked at solving equations, and we looked at balancing method, and we said in balancing method, whatever you do to the left hand side of the equation, you must do it to the right hand side. All right, just like in our usual style, here's some list of take-home fun you can practice at your leisure time. The first one says solve the following equations. 2x plus 7 equals 12. So find the value of x there. The second one says 21 equals 9 plus 2y. Find the value of y. The third one says 10m minus 11 equals to 12. And the fourth one says 3a minus 7 equals to 8. And the fifth one says 47 equals 10h minus 33. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, share the video, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling in, put in the comment section, or any question you have to ask me, put in the comment section, and I'll be there to attend to it. Let me also know the answers of this take-home fun in the comment section. And most importantly, if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till we meet again, in the next class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.